You smell bad with food.
Hi Zoe. Hi Elaine.
They're demon twins.
Back in the days we wanted everything, Mama said, burn your biographies, rewrite your history, light up your wildest dreams, museum victories. Every day we wanted everything, Mama said, don't give up, it's a little complicated, all tied up, no more love, and I'd hate to see you waiting. Had to have hopes for a living, shooting for the stars when I couldn't make a killing. Didn't have a time, but I always had a vision, always had hopes. Had to have hopes for a living, didn't know how, but I always had a feeling I was gonna be that one in a million. Always had hopes. Mama said, something for oddities, stranger cruises. Ain't ever wannabes, winning the novelties that don't ever change. We wanted everything, Stay up on that rise, stay up on that rise, never come down. Oh, stay up on that rise, stay up on that rise, never come down. Mama said, don't give up, it's a little complicated, all tied up, no more love, and I'd hate to see you waiting. They say it's all been done, but they haven't seen the best of me. So I got one more run, and it's gonna be a sight to see. Had to have high hopes for a living, shooting for the stars when I couldn't make a killing. Didn't have a dime, but I always had a vision, always had high hopes. Had to have high hopes for a living, didn't know how, but I always had a feeling I was gonna be that one in a million. Always had high hopes. Had to have high hopes for a living, shooting for the stars when I couldn't make a killing. Didn't have a time.
Hello everyone. This is my friend Iman here.
Hey guys.
And we have some people over here too.
Let me show you. Oh, how do I flip a camera?
Oh my god. Now
I
we
can't
have to
see.
delete that video.
No, it's good. I can't
Hello
flip.
everyone. So my friend Iman here
Hey guys.
and two other kids here.
Hello.
We are currently somewhere in Big Bend. We are in some canyon right now. It's very beautiful.
Mexico's over there.
Yeah, Mexico's over there. I'll
On the
be
other side of
I'm
Trump's big wall.
Mexican.
Okay, stop it. And you ruined it. This is a kids-friendly channel. Hello, everyone.
Ooh.
This is Ivan here.
Hey.
We are currently in this Mexico place. Well, in this canyon.
Mexico place.
And on the right is a Mexico. And on the left, it's the U.S.
Well, we're not in the middle.
Always had hopes. Had to have hopes for a living. Didn't know how, but I always had a feeling I was gonna be that one in a million. Always had
All it takes is one flight, we'd be in the same time zone. Looking through your timeline, seeing all the rainbows. I got an idea, and I know that it sounds crazy. I just wanna see you. Oh, I gotta ask, do you got plans tonight? I'm a couple 100 miles from Japan, and I was thinking I could fly to your hotel tonight. 'cause I can't get you off my mind. Can't get you off my mind. Can't get you off my mind. I can feel the tension. We could cut it with a knife. I know it's more than just a friendship. I can hear you thinking right, yeah. Do I gotta convince you that you shouldn't fall asleep? It'll only be a couple hours and I'm about to leave. Do you got plans tonight? I'm a couple 100 miles from Japan and I was thinking I could fly to your hotel tonight, 'cause I can't get you off my mind. Can't get you off my mind.
So we are in the middle of the, what trail is this?
I don't know.
Lost Mine Trail, and we are.
'Cause I can't get you off my mind. Can't get you off my mind. I can't seem to get you off my mind. Let's get lost tonight. Let's get lost tonight. Baby, you and I can't seem to get you off my mind. Let's get lost tonight. Let's get lost tonight.
After a 2.5-mile hike, we have arrived at the top of this mountain. I want you.
I'm a couple 100 miles from Japan and I was thinking I could fly to your hotel tonight, 'cause I can't get you off my mind. I can't get you off my mind. Do you got plans tonight, baby? I was hoping I could get lost in your paradise. The only thing I'm thinking about is you and I can't get you off my mind. Can't get you off my mind.
Hello everyone, we are in Prude Ranch in West Texas. These are my two 10 out of 10 friends.
I can't seem to get you off my mind.
Do I look lonely? I see the shadows on my face. People have told me I don't look the same. Maybe I lost weight. I'm playing hooky with the best of the best. Put my heart on my chest so that you can see it too. I'm walking the long road, watching the sky fall. The lace in your dress tangles my neck. How do I live the death of a bachelor? Oh, oh, letting the water fall. The death of a bachelor. Oh, oh, seems so fitting for happily ever after. Ooh, how could I ask for more? Lifetime of laughter at the expense of the death of a bachelor. I'm cutting my mind off. Feels like my heart is going to burst. Alone at a table for two, and I just wanna be served. And when you think of me, am I the best you've ever?
Hey guys everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this little compilation of Big Bend, and I'll see you next week with a new turtle video.
Are you okay?